everyone, welcome back to Date That Matters. Today, we're talking about a fun and adventurous day, Go for a Ride Day. Celebrated every year on November 22nd, this day is all about embracing the joy of movement and exploring the world around you. Go for a Ride Day encourages us to break free from our routines and go on an adventure. Whether it's a peaceful bike ride through the park, a scenic drive along the coast, or even hopping on a horse for a countryside trot, the possibilities are endless. Riding is not just about transportation. It's about the freedom to explore, the thrill of the journey, and sometimes, the memories we create along the way. Plus, it's a great way to connect with nature, boost your mood, and stay active. Not a fan of cycling? No worries. You can take a road trip, hop on public transport, or even ride something quirky like a scooter or a tandem bike. What matters is the experience. So, why not celebrate Go for a Ride Day by planning your next ride today? Grab your friends or family, pick a destination, and just enjoy the journey. Remember, it's not about where you go, but how much fun you have getting there. Thanks for tuning into Date That Matters. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your ride stories in the comments below. Let's make every ride an adventure. See you next time.